Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to evaluate functions if a function is a piecewise function. A piecewise function is a single function that is expressed through different expressions in a given part of a domain. So for instance, this function that we have right now is divided into 3. That is 2x plus 1 is the expression that we use when x is less than negative 1 or if the number is below negative 1. If the number is between negative 1 and 3, the function takes the form of x squared minus 4x plus 4, which is a parabola. However, if x is greater than or equal to 3, then the function that we have will take negative square root of x minus 2. So the meaning of piecewise function is that given several different expressions, we have to select which one to use depending on the given number. And this will be applied when we evaluate functions. So suppose we want to find the f of negative 4. So you need to focus on what number is going to be used in the function. F of negative 4 means, again, what is f of x when x is equal to negative 4? Since we are working on a piecewise function, we have to consider strictly the given number. So negative 4, you have to check under which interval will the negative 4 fall. So that means we have to select x less than negative 1 because negative 4 is less than negative 1. So to evaluate f of negative 4, you have to select 2x plus 1. So what will happen here will be f of negative 4 will be substituted to the 2x plus 1. So we place the negative 4 for the x and then we compute. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 plus 1. Negative 8 plus 1 is negative 7. Therefore, f of negative 4 is equal to 7. Negative 7. Okay. Now for f of 2, we just repeat or we just need to do the same idea. So f of 2, first locate under which interval will the 2 fall. So as we can see, 2 is a number between negative 1 and 3. So that means the expression that we have to use is x squared minus 4x plus 4. And then we compute. F of 2 will be, it will be substituted, or the 2 will be substituted to x squared minus 4x plus 4. So putting the number, that's 2 and 2. So we have 4 minus 8 plus 4, in which the value is equal to 0 because 4 minus 8 is negative 4 plus 4, so that is 0. So f of 2 is equal to 0. Finally, f of 6. Again, we have to focus on the given number, which is 6. 6 will fall under the interval 3 to positive infinity or x bigger than or equal to 3 because 6 is a number bigger than 3. So that means the function that we have to select from the 3 options, 1, 2, and 3, this should be the expression. So f of 6 will become negative square root, and then x is 6 and then minus 2. Then we compute. 6 minus 2 is 4. The negative square root of 4 is equal to negative 2. So that means f of 6 is equal to negative 2. So that is how we evaluate functions when the function is a piecewise function. It's basically the same idea with the basic examples, except that you have to select which of the given expressions should be used, which will depend highly on the number given. If it's negative 4, you have to select where the negative 4 will fall. Say if you have 2, then you also locate which interval contains the 2 and then use the corresponding expression. And same with what we had in f of 6, and that is we chose the last expression because 6 is bigger than or equal to 3. Okay, so I hope you know now how to evaluate functions given a piecewise function.